Hi, this is Daniel and today I'm going to show you how you can easily copy and paste your video clips attributes like zoom, position or anything else into another clip in Davinci Resolve. So let's say that at this clip, this right one, we have everything already set up, the zoom, the position, everything what we want to fit our overlay. As you can see the first clip, there are actually still black bars and we would need to play with the position of the clip. We would have to zoom in, play with the Y, X position and everything else. But as you don't want to waste your time and do that for all of your clips in your video timeline, you can simply select the clip at which you already set up all of your attributes. You will hit the Ctrl+C and then you will select the clip towards which you want to paste your attributes. In our case, it's the first one. And you will hit the Alt+V. As you can see, the Paste Attributes tab just appeared and you can choose which attributes you would like to copy. You can choose to copy all of your video attributes, or as in my case, I want to copy only my position and the zoom level of the previous clip. I will hit the Apply and voila, the attributes were perfectly pasted into the first clip in our timeline as well. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can easily copy and paste your video attributes from one clip to another. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.